Hai, tiada hari tanpa bio, quick and fast revision for SPM Bio 2020. So, chapter 1. So, look at the question. I already given the copy in your class. So, hopefully everybody can refer to the question. So, we will talk about the first question. So, look at the first question. Diagram show the structure of plant cell. So, the diagram dilabelkan dengan PQRSTU. Okay, state the content of organelle U. So, first you need to identify what is U. U is actually the vacuole. So, what is the content of the vacuole? The answer is cell sap. So, this is the answer. Okay. Question number 2. Explain one role of organelle U which is related to its function. So basically, the function of U is to store substance in the plant cell. So one of the function is to absorb water. So and what is the purpose of absorbing the water in vacuole? It's for herbaceous plant. Basically, water in vacuole is to maintain the turgidity of the plant. Or we also can mention about helps in plant support. Okay, so for next question, explain the relationship between organelle R and organelle S in producing the enzyme. In the question, they did not mention who is R and who is S, so you need to identify it first. What is R? R is rough endoplasmic reticulum. While what is S? S is Golgi apparatus. So basically, if you look at the question, they give you 3 marks here. So, uh, it's okay for you to mention who is R, who is S. However, if you are not confident enough, you just can mention R and S. So we know that R is rough endoplasmic reticulum and S is Golgi apparatus. So how to answer the question? So first, you can mention, okay, R, what is function of R? R will transport enzyme synthesized by ribosome. Okay, so how do they transport the enzyme synthesized by the ribosome? Okay, it will wrap the enzyme into the transport vesicle. Then, okay, jangan letak then sebab kalau then, okay, kalau kamu letak then, pastikan kamu titik dulu, jadikan dia ayat yang baru. Then, okay, transport it to Golgi apparatus ataupun dalam soalan ni kamu boleh sebut S. Okay, so what will happen in S? S will modify enzyme to become specific enzyme. Okay, what will happen later? Then the enzyme will be packed and transported by Golgi apparatus. So you can get full mark here. Okay, explain what will happen if organelle T is absent in plant cell. So they did not mention who is T. So just bagi tahu je jawapan. Bagi tahu je dekat situ. Bagi tu T is nucleus. So what is the function of nucleus? To control cell activity. Sekarang apa jadi pada T? Dia tiada. So maksudnya jawapan kamu kena negatif juga. Activity of the cell cannot be controlled. Negatifkan sahaja pernyataan itu. Now, we will proceed to the next question. Diagram 1.2 show a shoot tip. And if you look at here, they focus on the shoot tip. Okay, yang leaf. State the organelle that can be found in high density at the root at the shoot tip. So basically, we know that in shoot tip akan ada specific cells yang kita panggil sebagai meristematic cells, and these cells is actively divide themselves. Okay, so because why? Because they stay in cell division zone. Okay, so state the organelle that can be found in high density at the shoot tip. So basically, sebab kita dah tahu yang main activity dia adalah membahagi secara aktif, dan this process require a lot of energy. So the answer here is mitochondria. Okay, explain your answer. Why they need high density of the mitochondria in the shoot tip? Because it needs more atau high amount of energy. Okay, kamu kena bagi tahu reason kenapa nak ada banyak tenaga. Because, okay, for process of cell division. So, baru boleh dapat 2 markah. Okay, next question. Diagram shows the structure of a plant cells. So, they already label the diagram W and X. And macam biasa, dia tanya what is W and what is X. So, kita tahu W itu adalah Golgi body atau apparatus, and X kita itu adalah mitochondria. So, basically, soalan nombor 1, dia bukanlah soalan yang stresskan you kan. Okay, state 2 function of organelle W. So, the question is very straight to the point. So, yang pertama, apa fungsi kita, fungsi W yang pertama adalah untuk modify protein synthesized by the enzyme. Itu yang pertama. Itu aktiviti penting dia yang pertama. Modify. Yang kedua. Bahagian kedua kita kata fungsi dia adalah untuk pack and transport. Dah modify. Kita kena pack. Dan kita kena transport. Modify protein tadi out of cells. So, itu adalah untuk yang seterusnya adalah. Okay, next question. Meristematic tissue and mesophyll tissue are two different tissue with different function which are found in most plant. So, you need to identify what is meristematic tissue, apa fungsi dia dan apa fungsi mesophyll tissue. Kita tahu meristematic tissue duduk dekat hujung akar, duduk dekat hujung shoot and also dekat cork cambium. And mesophyll tissue duduk dekat daun. Dan kita tahu meristematic tissue adalah bahagian tissue ataupun sel-sel di dalamnya sedang aktif membahagi. So, apa organel penting dalam proses pembahagian sel? And again, kita akan mention yang penting adalah mitochondria. Okay, and apa fungsi organel tersebut? Macam biasa, perkataannya adalah generate energy. Tapi apa purpose dia? For cell division. Okay, how about mesophyll cell? Disebabkan dia duduk dekat dalam kita punya daun, so dia perlu ada banyak chloroplast. Okay, apa purpose nak kena ada banyak chloroplast dekat dalam mesophyll tissue? Adakah cukup kami cakap untuk proses fotosintesis? Tidak. Sebab apa? Kehadiran mesophyll tissue duduk di daun. Jadi fungsinya adalah to trap maximum sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay, berhati-hati dengan soalan ini. Okay, soalan terakhir. Diagram shows structure of paramecium which are found abundantly in freshwater pond. So, dia labelkan ada struktur X dengan struktur Y. Okay, apa soalan ni nak? Dia kata explain function of X and Y, enabling the organism to carry out its living processes. So, basically, dia boleh teka-teki dengan awal. X itu apa, Y itu apa. So, kita kenalkan je lah dahulu. So, X kita adalah contractile vacuole. So, mention kat sini, X is contract. contractile vacuole. So basically, apa contractile vacuole? Dia bertanggungjawab dalam proses osmoregulation. Apa yang dia buat? Okay, excess water in paramecium will accumulate in this vacuole. So what will happen later? So when it reach maximum size, it will contract and expel excess water. So, itu adalah untuk poin yang pertama. Then you can get 2 marks. And how about Y? So, kenalkan dulu. Y ni siapa? Y ni kaki dia. Tapi kita panggil kaki ke? Tidak. Kita panggil struktur itu sebagai cilia. Okay, apa fungsi cilia? It helps in locomotion of the paramecium. So, okay, tulis kat sini. Helps locomotion of paramecium. Or if kalau you dapat satu lagi idea, di cilia juga membantu menolak makanan ke dalam oral groove ataupun mulut paramecium. Okay, helps to push food to enter oral groove. Itu sahaja untuk hari ini. Terima kasih. #Sila jangan lupa bio. Janji tau. Bye-bye.